Muslim business news now. Investing platform backed by the likes of Paul Pogba and former UFC fighter Khabib is launching a physical branch in the UK backed by gold. New York-based Wahid, which describes itself as a halal investing platform, has opened a branch in the UK in a bid to target the country's 3.9 million Muslims with a Shariāh-compliant investment management and advice service. This is a positive step for Muslim finance, Muslim investment, and an opportunity for Muslims to be able to invest in a halal Sharia compliant way. However, I would like to point out I personally haven't used them or even been to their website or anything like this, but I have known about them, so I can't tell you the model and the way they operate. And as we know, in many areas of Islam there are different interpretations, and I don't know if their interpretation of Sharia compliant is what I would deem Sharia compliant. I'm not saying it is or isn't correct, but I'm just saying that I'm just reporting on that they have or they will be opening a branch in the UK, and hopefully other things like halal mortgage interest free and interest free student loans are available too in the future. And I don't mean in scenarios where you borrow 100 rand from the bank and then you end up paying 120,000 and 20,000 interest. Many of the Muslim banks borrow 100,000 from us, 20,000 in this fees and that fees and this nonsense and that nonsense. I've seen many cases where it's not called interest, but you're paying more, just like the non-Muslim bank. You borrow 100,000, you pay 120,000 back. You borrow 100,000 from the Muslim bank, you pay 120,000 back. So from my experience, not in dealing with them, but from research, and I've done plenty of research, this is pretty much like a non-Muslim bank. You're just not calling it interest. So hopefully we have a group in the future that actually provides not just a Sharia compliant interest-free loan for a mortgage, but you only pay back what you borrow, not a penny more. Because with these banks, you're paying thousands more from what you borrowed. So that's the same as interest. I don't care what this fee and that fee and this nonsense. You're paying more than you're borrowing, and you're paying the same amount you would pay with a non-Muslim bank. What's the point of going to the Muslim bank in the first place? So I hope that in the future there is a Muslim way, Islamic way of buying a house in the UK besides renting, and also that there is a option for Muslims to take out student loans that don't have interest.